Hello everybody, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the crew. I told you guys when I bought this hair dye comb that I would review it for you guys and let you know if it was worth the money. So let's review it. So the supplies I used was simply just the hair dye comb from the Dollar Tree and one bottle application of the Revlon Color Silk number 57. So let's try it. So the first thing I did was follow the directions by mixing part A into part B. I replaced the lid, shook it up for a few minutes, and then filled it into the applicator bottle. So right away I noticed it was not going to hold the whole application in one step here, so you do have to refill it if you have a lot of hair. Also, pay attention to the fill line because once the pump's inside, it will overflow if you go a little bit too full, so be careful of that. So once the lid's on, I tried out the pump. It seemed to work really well, and as you can see, it only comes out that center section, so the top and bottom doesn't have the hair dye coming out there, but it didn't really seem to be an issue. And I noticed right away that this spins really easily, which I thought was going to be a problem, and it was a little bit. I'll explain. So showing you as an example on my son's hair here, I'm trying to comb through the hair, and as you can see, the comb just wants to keep flipping over, so you can't get it through the hair, which is a problem when you're trying to put hair dye on it, obviously. So if you grab the stem of the comb, then it stays in place and it works just fine. So it's a little bit of an issue, but not a big deal once you get used to using it. It did a nice even application, as you can see here, and I was happy with the overall color. So I just did my roots, and then I combed through just a little bit so I wouldn't have some demarcation lines. So for cleaning, I put some hot water in there and just kept pumping it through the pump until it ran clear water. And my thoughts was I wasn't really happy that it spun. It did make it a little bit harder to use, and I wish it would hold the whole box of mixture. Holding the stem of the comb does make it easier to use. The pump worked really well. It never clogged, and it had an even distribution of hair color through the holes of the comb, and it saturated the hair really well for an overall even coverage. I am happy with how easy it was to clean, and I was very satisfied with how my hair turned out, and I would use this product again. For $1, it wasn't all that bad. Thanks guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to like and share this video, and here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. Have a great day.